How do I take the picture? How do I take this picture?
You're doing it, dude.
Wait.
It's good. It's good.
And 1, 2, 3, 4. I am so bored I can't fall asleep. And 5, 6, 7, 8. I've made mistakes, I can't let them be. Like a kid in the corner, rolling stoner. I was the dweeb inside the lines, but I'm grown and I'm older, more like sober. This time not gonna let it slide. Here is why. And life can be tough, that's what she said. And love is a rush, you say. Yeah. And yeah. I wanna rise up in the morning, kinda snoring. 3 birds a window with the light, catch some waves in the ocean. Even broken, I think that it can be alright. Here's why. And life can be tough, that's what she said. Love is a rush, you say. Yeah. Gotta get up on the high horse, forget the old dork. Be like Mary Pippin on the wine, be like the old hometown hero, Robert De Niro. Slumdog who found the other side. Could be nice. I am so bored I can't fall asleep. And 5, 6, 7, 8. I've made mistakes, I can't let them be. Alright. And life can be tough, that's what you said. Love is a rush, you say. Yeah. Yeah.
Walking blind through this maze of space and time. And it's like the more I see of life on earth, the more I want to leave. Oh, take me home, 'cause I think I've had my fears of this crazy, crazy trip. Take me home, 'cause I know there's got to be a better place out there for me. And I've been so damn low, watching all these psychopaths run the show. It seems like the more from the shit you are, the more they love you here. Ooh, you'll go far. Oh, take me home, I think I've had my fix of this crazy, crazy trip. Take me home, take me home. 'Cause I know there's got to be a better place out there for me. And Lord, please wake me up from this dream. I think I'm stuck. Oh, I've been trying to sing my way out of this whole thing. Oh, take me home, take me home. 'Cause I think I've had my fix of this crazy, crazy trip. Take me home, take me home. 'Cause I know there's got to be a better place out there for me.
So I took a poop this morning.
What'd you say?
So I took a poop this morning.
You pooped this morning?
Yeah.
Nice.